you have a couple of things that are a little bit different. You know, with a public cloud like an Amazon or a Rackspace or whoever, you're going out there and you're buying public infrastructure that's shared across a group of companies. And with a private cloud, you don't have that sharing. So all of these concerns about data privacy and data security and legal regulations around where data is located go away with a private cloud. And specifically for the workloads that we deal with, you know, like Teradata workloads, business intelligence, analytics, and things like that, there's a real performance requirement in a database. And the public cloud is not designed to run query-intensive data workloads like BI and reporting and dashboards and that sort of thing. Whereas a private cloud, the hardware environment is actually configured for this. And so you can run it in-house. And you get the performance benefit there, whereas if you tried to do that in the public cloud, it just, most cases, will not work. The cloud is supposed to offer a few things. One of them is just the flexibility in the hardware environment where you pick a performance level that you want and you allow the resources to fluctuate around the performance level. And the old way we did things was we bought the peak capacity that we would need. And so your performance was always capped at the peak capacity of the hardware environment. And so, it's really interesting to have a vendor offer this elastic pricing model where you pay for what you use, even though there's actual hardware and software on site. You're not doing the upfront license payments and everything. So you can, just like a public cloud, allow performance to fluctuate by adding and taking away resources from the environment as needed. And then, of course, pay for that on an as-needed basis. And that's something that no other vendor really offers today, and it's a really unique capability. It reduces the costs, and it makes performance management, the costs of performance, a lot easier and more palatable for organizations. Using things like the data lab element of the Teradata product, you can create these things dynamically within that private cloud environment and then get rid of them when you don't need them without all of that operational overhead. So it becomes instantaneous and an operational expense instead of something that takes possibly days or weeks of installation, configuration, and a capital purchase to accomplish. And that's really important for these kind of throwaway or one-off projects.